gripped residents in the Highlands areas of West Pokot County as heavy El Niño rains continue to pound the region, raising concerns about the potential recurrence of landslides and floods.
Highland areas of Lelan in Pokot South Sub-County and some parts of Pokot Central Sub-County are currently facing torrents of rain accompanied by thick mist and fog, adversely affecting crops and livelihoods. The heavy rainfall has also made roads hazardous, causing transportation to come to a sudden halt. This has heightened anxiety among residents considering the history of significant landslides in the area.
Na tumehofia kabisa hii mvua mingi kabisa imenyeshwa kwa sehemu ya Sondani. Tukiona sasa hii mnyonyoko ya ardhi ambayo ilikatika mbeleni, wakati ile ilikatika huko Nyarkulian, huko upande wa Cheptongo huko, na inji ilikatika kwa sababu ya mvua mingi.
In 2019, more than 20 people lost their lives and massive destructions occurred, forcing thousands to be displaced from the villages of Niño, Nyarkulian, and Parua during landslides. Another tragic incident occurred in 2020, claiming the lives of more than 50 people, destroying property, and leaving over 1,500 people homeless in the Chesegon area due to floods and landslides.
Imezidi sana. Yani kwa wiki moja uwezi ona mbali jinsi mmonavyo. Uwezi tazama mbali yani kilomita moja na kwenda mbele uwezi ona.
In March of this year, a woman lost her life to flash floods in the Niño area, Pokot Central Sub-County. The floods also led to the destruction of buildings at Chemutlokotio Secondary School, and parts of Ortum Market were washed away by floods. West Pokot Senator Julius Murgor and Principal Secretary in the Ministry of Works Joel Arumonyang, currently in Tapach to assess the situation, acknowledged the high altitude and chilly conditions in the Cherangan Hills. Senator Murgor emphasized that devastating landslides and floods have become a recurring challenge in West Pokot County.
Hapo awali ilipata pigo ya mambo ya landslide ama sehemu kuporomoka wakati moja, ambapo watu wengi sana walipoteza maisha. Watu zaidi ya 60 walipoteza maisha wakati ule, na kwa hivyo tunaomba.
Bridget Agola, Lookup TV.
Now, the Kenyatta International Convention Center, KICC,